Don't forget, when you do have their email contact, you can do more than just spam them.
Okay.
This is Expert Perspective by Martin Gawlak Company. It's daily, so subscribe if you like it. We're not scared of you, so comment if you have something to say. We like you. Are you a liker? Like this episode if you like it and you're a liker.
Welcome.
Email marketing. It's in no particular order, by the way. Email marketing is basically collecting a list of people and then emailing them and not pissing them off. It's one of the most effective forms of marketing because it is very low cost and it converts at a high rate if you do it well. You get a lot of spam email, but you're not supposed to. You probably get a couple good emails every week, every month from companies, but if you know what you're doing and you're there to give information, entertain, give value, and you're creative about the way you do it, you can make people happy to see your emails instead of unhappy. And then if you're really good technically, you can get your emails out of the spam folder and into their mailbox, maybe into their promotions folder. And if you're super good, you can actually get them out of the promotions folder in something like Gmail and into their primary inbox. If you know what you're doing, the conversion rates go up the closer you get it to their personal day-to-day stuff. So I highly recommend at least starting it. You can have it on your website to where your email marketing is automatically capturing customers or potential customers or former customers that you want to add more to. And then don't forget, when you do have their email contact, you can do more than just spam them offers or try to get them to buy. You can create conversations with them that'll teach you more about how to run your business, like the customer experience, by figuring out what they want and need or what's interesting to them at this time and how maybe new things are affecting the way they feel about the industry that you're in.
Martin's glued coins onto snail mail brochures and managed $250,000 marketing budgets for small businesses. From citrus sellers to surgery centers. He pulls no punches on our website or any of our content when bragging about how to do what we do well. Follow, like, subscribe, or do whatever, wherever you want. We have a podcast, Alexa Flash briefings, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. And if you decide to partner with us, you know you'll get to relax since we've got that 100% 5-star review and success rate over all the years we've been around. What are you saying there? Martin's glued coins in a snail mail brochure? What does that mean?